This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Beautiful home with an open custom floor plan, the ultimate entertaining experience. Sunlight gleams from a wall of windows in the incredible addition along the back of the home, overlooking a multi-tiered deck and patio west/a huge fenced backyard. One of the largest lots nestled in a private cul-de-sac in a highly sought-after neighborhood, Olde Mill Creek. Open foyer welcomes you to 2 rooms west/multiple use possibilities and flows into an amazing living area. Gorgeous granite on multiple work surfaces, custom cabinets, center island west/prep sink. A true chef's dream. Kitchen is surrounded by a bar, den, dining area and flex space so everyone can cook together and be part of the festivities. Great mudroom west/full bath for cleaning up when you come in or after a workout in the frog, which can be a 4th bedroom. Full bath and large primary suite west/a walk-in closet and remodeled bath. Just minutes to 58 to make peaceful rural living a short, easy commute to all of Hampton Roads amenities and bases. For more information, review the details below.